Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of Zoom. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about Zoom and you'll enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.